some work on this truck. I've owned it for a little over a year, and for some reason I have a check engine light that comes and goes. I think it has to do with the knock sensor harness. So I have to pull out this intake, get to the wiring that's on the block below. So while I'm doing this, I just thought I'll do a quick video on, well, you know how I do. So I recommend what cars you should buy. I bought this truck just to get me from selling my Tundra till I bought the new Tundra. Well, you know, dealers and their markups and their crazy pricing, I'm kind of shy to. I'm waiting for the market to adjust. But since I've had this truck in about a year, I've had problems with the park brake. There's been a leak on the transmission selector shaft. It's the shaft where you select, the input from the selector to the transmission to select the gears. Then the transfer case is leaking oil. I haven't resolved that yet. I don't drive the truck often, so I figure I'd wait maybe till I sell it. And the radiator is starting to leak. Looks like it has a newer radiator, but it's starting to leak. Truck also ticks on startup. I guess most of those 5.3 liters do that. After it warms up, the ticking will go away. It's kind of embarrassing. Also, when you're driving at night, the lights on the instrument panel goes completely dark. If you fiddle with the dimmer control, it'll come back on for a little bit, but it'll keep playing games with you while driving. I know some people may say, well, this truck's a 2005. It's an old truck. But it only has 134,000 miles on it. Before my 2016 Tundra, I had a 2006 Tundra. And I sold it, and it had 200,000 miles. And I only had to change a belt tensioner and the drive shaft universal joints. That's that, making some noise and vibration. So I know what you guys thinking. I'm not hating on Chevy. I love Chevys. I like all cars, but I think as far as a financial decision, I want to guide people to make the best decisions for their money. So next to the Tundra, this is, I think, probably this is the next best thing. So if you are in the market for a used truck, I would probably recommend the Toyota Tundra. Maybe a truck under $10,000. These trucks are good in their own right. They're very popular. The engine would go 300, 400,000 miles. You'd probably have to rebuild the transmission once. The things you'd have to spend money on repairing, it's not the worst truck out there. You will probably not lose money if you keep it for a short time. even if you keep it for a longer time, because the old Chevys they're going up in value. But for me, I prefer the reliability and trouble-free, less headache that the Tundra brings. So maybe next time I'll buy a used Tundra if I need it, an in-between truck. Thank you for watching. Till the next video.